Pheelz get new jam we want to talk about today.
So
Get new jam we don't drop today. So we will talk about and other things. That for like just the word just come maybe in particular get for like really.
For like now, which I call Jenkins now.
So you get the particular Shenkes when you need before like
No, actually.
So that for like just represent all the ladies.
All the ladies.
Tell us how this song take come about.
I just did studio with the producer Michael, just the vibe and like I just they try make feel good music. Okay. I know even overthink or I just the vibe, just they make music where I go like listen to.
Yeah.
And then I just post video and so everybody just catch fire.
So that but by that time Buju Abi Benson don't do the song.
Oh no, I don't even record the full song before. Now after I post the video where everybody can expect the song because it go viral before the song even drop. So Benson can hit me up, say fast shit nah. Cause he been want this song, he thinks say na sample or
so
you get or that just beat.
You up, so
you just hit me up, say fast, say this song, say she na my song, I been a beat. I said na my song, cause I don't even record and finish. But if you want verse, I will come on my second verse, give him space for second verse. Now so he stop.
Oh wow, wait first. So you even get second verse?
Yeah, I get it. The whole song not ready. I don't record the song finish.
And the song come favor 12 now because this song the kind bag where you. The kind bag where you secure for this song, we see you now around the world.
Now God now.
Now God get power. God get power.
You know, I see you for somebody post video you did for Usher concert.
Yeah.
And you can't recognize, you call you and say, Naija to the world. They don't even recognize Pheelz. But how that whole event make you feel?
Man, life don't feel like movie, man. I don't go even lie, cause like things like this are things where person dream about before, person they dream about before for secondary school or those things.
Yes.
So like now just to see how everything they happen is just crazy going like I just stuffs of dreams, man. Just a thank God.
If you want to talk in terms of the kind of change and impact where this particular song make in your life and career, you go feel try quantify them in words in terms of it meet your expectation, it blow beyond your expectation, or how you fit quantify them?
You know even meet my expectations because I don't even expect anything from because expectations not even there. I just vibe. I just enjoy myself and do everything. I still don't even understand how everything take up until today.
You know that one I remind for that Bible verse. When the Lord turned again the captivity of Zion, they were like they that dream.
You're not gonna remember the wala where you don't go through.
When God bless person, okay.
So two things I want to ask you. Go take them one by one, Sean. Now the singing aspect of you, at what point you enter? Because you don't talk and say in a production, you don't they do all this time. So at what point you decide, okay, no, this singing part, I get them, make I explore them. At what point exactly?
I start to sing first too, before even production. Yeah, like I've been even they do choir master for church back then when
which church?
It's called Jesus Christ God Ministry. Now I post church actually.
For where be that?
For a day we get like almost 30 branches for Naija.
But so you be music director for church that time?
Yeah, that time choir master.
Okay.
So I've been sing from time. I've been write songs from time. Even for like secondary school, I've been doing some boy band who would always like sing for us. Yeah, so like I do all that now for like a couple of years, just like grow my music skills. I go, Then I come meet Heidi Kabasa through Maye Hunter, and that's why I meet Olamide Seven. I Coded Tunes, become intern.
Oh, you join? Okay, you did Coded Tunes that time.
Yeah, I be intern for Coded Tunes that time. Now me and Olamide actually be the intern. They go buy rice, go buy.
Are you serious?
How many people that Coded to that time? Nice, they did that time. Nice. Too fat. Reminisce.
Lord of Ajasa. Reminisce now like affiliation.
Yeah, okay.
What was it? Seriki.
Okay.
Yeah, Olamide, AB1. We plenty like that time.
Okay.
So yeah, like Coded himself, help me like owning on my skills, just to like they train, they practice. I could still Kabasa password and that. Just to learn like that. Then I can't get one studio we put me for like their studio that time for Ajawa Estate. So I entered Ajawa Estate.
So you come be the resident producer for that studio. The resident producer
for that studio, and I saw production enter because it they pay. So I just focus more on production. Then when Olamide contract for Coded Tunes expire with Kabasa Blessings, he start YBN and he can hit me up say when you don't start your own thing, say you know, mo enter studio. And the day we went to studio, another day we do festival. And I was just 16 years old then, so like from there,
16 years old then. Wow.
So from there, everything just start to the back to back.
And that's how the journey come.
That's how the journey just
if I want to talk few story like this now, like 2 hours go there here.
The story long go.
The story long, well. Okay, but if you want to see in face, you want to see in dread, you want to enter my Instagram at Godwin Aroya. And also, I don't rush enter the other time to come see Lady J face because I have birthday and I hair. But Pheelz inside my Instagram now at Godwin Aroya. The camera there in face, so enter there, you go see I'm live and the rest. So Pheelz don't drop so many songs over the years. In the last 1 or 2, don't drop so many songs. I mean,
you drop electricity. You know the thing where they use this big Oyinbo word intrigue me about you now. Say when you drop a finesse, people think say now all this one hit wonder artist, you know. But when you can't drop electricity with Davido, now they're gonna say this one that song you don't change the whole game. So the music now. When I say the music, as in waiting people they sing before, say Pheelz. Now just one hit wonder, it goes soon come, it goes soon tire. They don't know say no be just one.
Or the even if it's so can a producer, you go see go back to in production. But I'd always like people who be producers where they sing. Like for my days when I did close to OJB Jezreel. And so OJB even don't jazz in those days they sing with the band. Even though she has small line. The bartender and you go that one is something. And you know say co-bams right from time they sing. So some people they feel say if producers do this one song you hot they could go back to, but you could say you can't because you can't drop electricity with Davido and of course there's remix of the finesse again with French Montana. Can't do other jams with Olamide Joy. So many other songs. Young John. You get catalog where all these songs they inside like an EP or an album.
Oh yeah, I don't drop like 3 EPs now. I drop the 4th one very soon.
Okay.
There's the Hear Me Out EP day, then Feels Good 1 day, then Feels Good Tribe Tape day. So Feels Good 2 they drop in a couple of months.
Now you go drop next. Now and this new song now Golo now one of the songs we go there inside. Okay, so now we'll segue enter Golo. Now tell us about Golo. How the song come about? Who produced them and what the song exactly there about?
Golo na me produce them, produced by Pheelz or produced by Ri. About like Reese, you know when guy they drop Reese for Babe now when they try follow Babe talk, but I just put the settings for clubs, so like I want make people dance as well, cause everywhere too dull these days, like you know negative energy just plenty up and down, so like I just want to give people something to just
something to be cheerful about.
You know, say me I always like to share joy. So
you shared, but you know share give rich me.
So that's how the song come about. Okay, so when the song drop officially?
Officially, I think last week. Yeah, it dropped last week officially.
You do like when they normally do sometimes when they drop song, they drop video at the same time.
Oh no, I never drop. The video they come. No,
video they come for front. Okay, so now the new jam where Pheelz drop be this one go low. Body go move.
Yes.
If your head no move, your leg go move, your hand go move something, and people like us will be mind dancers.
Not mind dancers.
Nobody dance past me for my mind.
Nobody.
If you know the kind of step I don't dance to this song now for my mind.
No worry, I go teach you the step for the song. The song get dance, I'll teach you.
I just want to say, if you hear the song and you don't move any part of your body, we need to review your issue. Exactly.
So Pheelz said the song get his own dance, so we go do him before he come off for studio. We go play him again. Then we go put the Instagram live. When I watch we and Pheelz dance the particular, so maybe teach us the step. All right. But the song done there everywhere now for people to stream, download, and share
everywhere.
Okay, so it's now the first of EP where they come for front in a few months time. So it don't. But if you tell us a bit about the EP, how many tracks go there inside and if you don't get title for them?
Nah, the EP is called Feels Good 2.
Feels Good 2, okay.
Yeah, now like 6 songs.
Six songs.
Yeah,
okay.
And I don't want to. I could just surprise and I don't want to talk past. I don't want to talk past now, but the EP they come, sure.
Okay.
The EP they come for sure.
But your name Pheelz. Waiting be your real name. How you come up with Pheelz?
Oh, my real name now Philip. Now 2 ways that they come up with the name. My chemistry teacher, because I'm one of his favorite students, they always call me Phil.
Phil, okay.
Yeah, you get. So when I enter Kude Tunes, I just keep the name Phil. But then when they can tell me say Phil to come on now, say man, I just put Z for the end, maybe like Phil. So it go to vibe. So now between my chemistry teacher and Olamide,
what will be your real name, full names?
Oh, Philip.
Philip.
Yeah.
Philip waiting.
Philip
Moses. Okay.
Where you come from?
Ogun State.
You're a rap boy.
You're a rap boy, born and bred.
They don't tell person, they don't feel no.
And if you say
I'll be Yoruba angel, I know be Yoruba.
You look like Nnamdi.
The first time I hear that one.
And you go say she call you Nandi because that kind of Obina, they fat. And you know for now, you know be Obina. Please, you get anybody for this industry, Nigerian music industry, where you go like produce song for? Where if you get opportunity, say this person they want me somebody produce song for, and you go like be the person to produce for them. Somebody go like work with. Production wise, yeah, you go see outside the other aspect. Production wise, you get somebody you go like do music song with, minus all the people who don't do it already.
Person I go like produce for that list long ago, but like one of the persons go be Burna Boy.
Okay.
Yeah, I've been done work with them before with Olamide when we do Omowobi Anthem.
Okay.
I go like
okay, and then we go like do music with.
For home or for away?
Home and away.
For home,
where you never do it before.
I would like make something with Rema.
Okay.
For home, Rema, Ashake, King Madi.
Okay.
Because I really like her songs. Away, man, that list is long from Drake. To,
okay.
No, Usher don't already happen with Thank God.
Don't happen. Oh wow.
Usher been did that list, but Thank God.
Any of the babes?
Beyonce, Rihanna.
Okay.
That list long.
Okay.
We cannot lie, that list long.
Okay. the list long well. All right. So, just this morning now we wake up, see say the trend everywhere. Then say, I just want to hear your opinion. They say they give Bobrisky best dressed female for one award like that. How the story be for your ear? It make you laugh, make you funny to you.
Everybody choice, not their choice. So, and whoever the organization be, we give their award. Not their award now. They go choose who they want to give now. So make nobody vex if they give. Not their choice. Not their choice now.
They give man best dress for woman award. Best dressed woman for award. Okay. So how if somebody asks you say your music journey so far for this country, how you go describe them? Say they fulfilling, rewarding, and then. What do you go to your definite description of your journey so far?
My description of the journey so far, you go be, you know, when person they swim for deep blue sea.
Yeah.
Whereas shark they chop you, octopus they slap you, but you still never drown. You see they swim.
Yeah.
We talk. I would describe how me that.
Okay.
Oh, thank God, shark.
Production wise, you they very expensive. If person want work with you now, what you they consider if person to accept to work with somebody unknown person, not be big
expensive,
name.
Expensive now relative term now. What's expensive to Mr. A, if you know expensive to Mr. B. So how we go take quantify that one like this?
Okay, so if an average person where they out there now say we get talent want to me say, but I go like make a first class producer in Nigeria like Pheelz produce for me. What be the one or first two or three things where you go consider to before you go decide whether you go let the person go on the person fee pay money first?
No, not be money first. Money now like third, I be second.
Okay.
The first thing I say is talent day.
Okay.
The songs we use sabi first because I don't want anybody stress me.
Okay.
You sabi. Now true now music not supposed to be stressful process.
No, this way you talk now. It remind me in those days, ladies. I remember one of those days where before Omotala do that bar. So I've been there studio with Jiga OJB. You come and tell me say this actress just come on here, you know, say she dey stress her. I say why? I say he said she won't sing. So he say when they come and enter, she go say I get one idea like this. It sound like this. So say for like 1 hour, I just sit down and look at like which kind of wow. But I never tell her where she dey go because who she be. So they tell me say if they got it, she stress me. So eventually she produce the bar for her. And we know how he ended. You understand? So it just reminds me when they talk say the talent more. So why you don't consider the talent today?
Then if you can talk about, you know,
can you afford?
You know, even afford. Just talk about payments, man. But now,
for
business
for
now.
them to come meet you, say I want me to produce me. Supposed to.
Now business now. We don't have. Now
business.
Now.
Okay.
You know, it does. What are the visual union? All these music reality shows. You know, first now audition. I don't do auditioning before, and I go tell you for real. Say the ones where no get the talent. Now them they stress.
You say you don't do audition and she
no, I don't do audition. I don't audition. I don't do audition.
Yeah, and then they select people for the selection process.
Now them go stress you the most, and obviously they no get them. But I don't know why they get.
No, but their compound people don't tell them say they get the talent.
Hey,
their family members don't tell them. Friends, people they tell them the truth. So when they reach where you there, they go tell you. You never see boy go drop sing. God, I get one new single. Okay, you go send and call. If you listen, like, what's in be this? You go say me. But you people there around that don't tell and say the song makes sense. So, but sometimes you need to tell them the truth. Now in the talk, if you see person way no good, you go say, look, I can't work with this person and all that.
For me, not be even about like good or no good. For me, I feel work with you. Like, cause me, I don't believe say. I mean, one man's food will be another man's poison. You understand? All these things are relative. Some go sweet for A, if you know sweet for B.
You got someone who sweet for everybody.
It's sweet for me. Like, and because music supposed to be free flowing process. You know, supposed to get any comma for the process at all. So I gotta make sure say that process go clean before I start today.
But I go tell person we come meet you. You see, say this one the talent no really there. And the money is
We'll get back to you.
We'll get back to
you. Okay, so much time they expect the video for Golo soon.
Yes, for sure.
Okay, we're gonna expect the videos.
Everybody go listen to Golo. The EP they come very soon. Make everybody stream and I just want to thank everybody for all the love and support, man.
So everybody all the people all the big names where you don't work with, who you go say be the person you enjoy part, the most enjoyable person for where you say if you there with her for studio, the whole studio they light up.
The most I'm on a couple, man. Like
the most enjoyable
out of all
of all of them, yes.
I mean Adekunle Gold, Olamide, Fire, Fireboy, studio session with David Joseph.
Makes sense.
The energy they crazy.
No, David go carry everything come.
Everything. The session with Usher self.
It makes sense.
Okay.
Alice Long.
How tall you be?
I'm 6'5".
6'5".
This guy
he top past Steph Curry.
Wow.
For real? I don't even know.
Steph Curry na 6'3".
Oh.
I be shorty where you
if you the same height with James Harden.
Okay.
You play big ball.
I know they play. I wish they play, man. But big ball no big when I they grow up like that for my area. So
okay.
All right. Many thanks to you for watching. I beg, may you try like and subscribe to this page so you go enjoy so many other fantastic content from Naija FM 102.7. Too much.